Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to practice HTML and CSS. First, set up a good code editor like VS Code. It makes coding much easier. Start by creating a basic HTML file, including essential tags like HTML head and body. Then, add some simple content. Next, link a CSS file and apply basic styling, perhaps changing text color or background. This foundational step is crucial for building confidence. Once you have the basics down, start building small, focused projects. Try creating a personal portfolio page to showcase your skills, or design a simple blog layout with a header, main content area, and footer. Another great idea is to build a basic product landing page. These projects help solidify your understanding and provide tangible results, making the learning process more engaging and effective. To advance your skills, dive into more complex topics. Explore responsive design using media queries to make your websites look great on any device. Master CSS Flexbox and Grid for powerful and flexible layout control. Don't forget to leverage online resources like MDN WebDocs and W3 Schools. They offer excellent documentation and tutorials to guide your learning journey effectively. Continuous practice is key to mastery. Regularly review and refactor your existing code to improve its efficiency and readability. Consider collaborating on projects with other learners. This provides new perspectives and helps you learn from different approaches. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Keep experimenting with new features and challenges to stay sharp and expand your web development expertise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.